Hey, what's up everybody? Wes here with how-tos and product reviews, and thanks for tuning in for another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get a jack unstuck. I've got my truck here lifted up in the air and I've made a boneheaded move. I've got this 3-ton jack that's made by Daytona, sold by Harbor Freight, and I've got it stuck up in the air because the handle slipped out. I didn't have it locked in properly. So this is kind of a two-part. I'll show you how to get this down and show you how to avoid this in the future. So this thing here, the jack handle goes in, but this thing is stuck tight. As soon as I pulled it out, it slipped out and just went into the up position, and I can't pull it down even with an older jack handle. I can't find any special tool to stick in there or a socket that fits this. I'm sure they make something with just a little square bolt. It hooks into this right here and lets it down, lets the pressure off. So if I can't figure out how to get it down, I'm stuck because I can't pull that down. But what I should have had here was had it locked in here with this little bolt. But either way, I'll show you guys how to get this taken care of, and we'll have our truck back on the ground in no time. Alright, so if you find yourself in this predicament and you've got a Daytona jack or something similar, they probably have a plate on top just like you see here. It's held together by 4 Phillips head screws, and I've already got mine loosened up here, but you'll want to go ahead and just remove all 4 of those, and we're going to get this top plate removed to give us access to be able to lower this jack. After this happened to me, I wasn't able to find a video on it, so I figured I'd go ahead and make this and put it out there. Maybe it'll help somebody. But just get this plate moved out of the way, and what you'll see here, normally you'll twist this guy to let the pressure off, and you'll see here is the part where it goes into the jack, and we really just need to spin that. That's all we're really doing. That's the complete gist of this video, but you're going to want to do it carefully. Make sure your jack stands are out from under the truck. Kind of make sure you're clear of the truck, and then just give it a turn to the left, and it's going to start to loosen up. In hindsight, I should have given this thing a lot more of a spin instead of just a little bit at each time, because it just kind of wanted to push down slowly, kind of grind it into the ground. But either way, we'll reach back in there and just kind of keep spinning this portion out. Just be careful not to bend it. I mean, it's a metal part. You shouldn't have any issues. But just a pair of vice grips, any kind of pliers, and just give it a turn. And the next thing you know, you're going to be back on the ground. I spent quite a few minutes trying to figure this out. I wasn't really sure what I was going to do. I couldn't believe that I had it stuck like that. I couldn't find any videos on that. So just get it lowered down and then put your plate back on. But what you'll want to do in the future is to put your jack handle in, make sure it's lined up and secured, and then just take that little safety bolt and just make sure you get it screwed in all the way and tightened. Again, if I had done this from the beginning, I wouldn't have been in this predicament to begin with. So definitely read your instructions and make sure you don't mess anything up like I did. You'll be good to go. But hopefully this video helps someone out there if you had the same issue. If it helped you out, definitely leave a comment below. Look forward to hearing from you guys. All right, peace.